Okay, reading for today. It seems dark, but hey, it is what it is. From Birds of Alberta. These are visitors to the yard bird feeder. Oh, and this is what the cool guys look like. They are a predictably unpredictable winter visitor. The common red poll, is seen in Alberta in varying numbers. It might appear in flocks of hundreds or in groups of a dozen or less, depending on the year. Red polls might seem to have good winter survival skills, but they are in constant danger of running out of fuel and dying from hypothermia. So they are almost always eating, gleaning waste grain from bare fields, or stocking up at winter feeders. Because of their focus on food, wintering redpolls are remarkably fearless of humans, as long as you move slowly and unthreateningly. The common redpoll's light fluffy body allows it to float on the softest snowbanks without sinking beyond its belly. Common redpolls sometimes breed in Alberta, but most of the birds that appear during winter nest far to the north. The scientific name Flammea, Latin for flame, refers to this bird's red cap. Now, it could well be that the bird we have is not the hoary, but a house finch, which in Latin is called Carpodacus mexicanus. All right. Before cities began to dot North America's soil, the house finch was restricted to the American Southwest. Then during the 1920s and 30s it became a popular cage bird, and was sold across the continent as the Hollywood finch. Releases of cage birds in the east and expansion of the house finch from its historic range into farmlands and cities in the west have resulted in two separate distributions that are converging like a zipper along the Rocky Mountains. The birds seen in Alberta come from both populations, and they are being encountered with increasing frequency. It is likely that the increasing abundance of this finch will be met warmly by Albertans, because these colorful birds will add character and song to our neighborhoods. The expansion of the house finch's range illustrates both the intentional and indirect results of human influence on wildlife communities. And this is what these guys look like. And that, I think, is what they are, because I think that's the female, is all gray. Dun, ta-da. Good day, happy 2021.